क्या सेशन नंबर? चलो
उनको कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करना उस बंदे को रख सकते हो जो आज अच्छा करता है।
we can start Alok now. You can give a brief introduction about today's round and event.
एक मिनट स्ट्रीमिंग चालू है।
That is live now. No problem.
So good afternoon to all. Today we are going to conduct Design Cape final round, that is round number 2, and in this round we will we have already given the problem statement to all the students, and we have asked them to provide the solution in a CAD model if possible. Otherwise, they can also present their idea before us. So let's start with the first candidate, Victor Sharma. Hello, Victor.
Hello.
Yeah, turn on your camera.
Camera.
Yeah.
Please unmute yourself.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. So which problem statement do you have worked on?
Sir, the first one.
Water tank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your approach and what are the factors you considered for design?
Sir, can I explain with my model?
Yeah, you can tell.
So first, I would like to present with my PDF, sir, which I prepared. Actually, I didn't have that much time. That's why I prepared like this.
No problem.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah, as we have already written, it's just for checking your thinking skills.
Sir, actually, sir, first for sir, designing parameters, sir. In the question, sir, it was given like the required volume of the tank, sir, which was, sir, this much liter.
More than 3 lakh.
Yes, sir. More than 3 lakhs liters.
Your PDF is not visible.
Yes. Oh, actually, sir, I haven't presented.
Karthik, you can join later.
So, is it visible?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah, sir. Starting from our designing pattern, sir. Sir, the problem in the problem it was given for volume tank which was more than 3 lakhs liters, sir. For this, sir, we need a volume of, so this 300 meter cube, sir.
Okay.
So there's a formula, sir. It's easier.
Yeah, I got it.
So it should be, sir, inlet and outlet gating, sir, where it means like we can there should be, sir, two paths from where like we can fill the tank and to let go the water, sir. Considering the cylinder tanks, so for this, sir, we would, sir, I would like to give, sir, radius of, sir, 4 meter and height 7 meters. Sir, so that the volume of tank would be, sir, by this formula of cylinder, it is pi r square h. H is height, which is 7, and 4 is our radius, and this is the resulted, sir, volume, so which is obviously, sir, more than this.
Okay. Yeah, continue.
So now the question I have, sir, why cylindrical space? Regarding the shape of this tanks, it has been found that according to research, spherical tanks is best for holding pressure, but it's quite difficult to manufacture, as you know, like to make curves and all. But then it's better to make for a large tank, so it's better to make cylindrical. Like no one wants to make tank every now and then. That's why, like, in case of rectangular tanks, sir, it is manufactured, but it cannot withstand a large amount of pressure.
Okay.
Whereas, sir, this cylindrical tank can withstand a better. I mean, it's better than rectangular one. So for pressure at the bottom, sir, we know the formula. So this one, sir, rho gh, sir, where this one is density of water, which is 1000, sir, and gravity we all know, so 9.81, and height, which is 7, so which is this much pascal, so kilopascal.
Mhm.
So so for the hoop stress, sir, which is the stress, sir, which the water will give to the walls of the tank, sir. For this, sir, this is the formula, sir. We have here using the pressure, and sir, here is the diameter of the tank, and here is the T, sir. T is the thickness of the tank, sir, which I gave, sir, 0.05 meters. And so here we get this result, sir, 5.5 megapascal, sir. Considering the factor of safety, sir, which is of 5, it's allowed the stress of, sir, 27.5 megapascal, sir, which is good only. So now condition. I mean, sir, for materials, sir, actually in the question it was given, sir, we need to make tank for states like Jammu and Kashmir, Arunachal, and Sikkim, and Sikkim. So which we all know, like there the temperature range is quite low compared to other cities or states, which is -5 to -15 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the, sir, for according to me, sir, not according to me, sir, according to science, therefore the best material is would be, sir, polyethylene, sir, tanks would be, sir. I think it would be good for making tanks, and it is compliant, sir, for its food grade standards, sir. It is also good for, like, sir, cooking.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
There are sir, the main reason for using polyethylene are, so, like, they are light, sir, compact, and easy to manufacture, and they are, sir, quite effective. For the temperature range of, sir, -20 to 20 degrees Celsius, which we generally found in the 3 states, the tensile strength is about, sir, 24 to 30 megapascals, sir, which is ideal for our cylinder. Cylinder means, sir, the tank.
Yeah.
In order to use the tank in case of fire, it must be able to withstand the fire, as it was asked in the question. So, like, so it's better to give a coating of zinc, which can give resistance to the tank for in case of fire and all. So now I would like to present my model, sir.
Don't close it, just minimize it because there will be
Sir.
some process.
So can I present, sir, my model?
Yeah, you can present. I'm saying minimize it, don't close it.
Okay, sir. Actually, I haven't shared the entire screen, sir. That's why I have to share it again.
Okay.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah. So can you define what are the things which you have like, considered here?
Yes, sir.
Move that blue line downward.
Oh yeah. So first I started with, sir, this cylinder, sir, which is the main part of
Just
the
tell
tank.
specifications. Don't CAD modeling is done. Just tell specifications of every part.
Okay, I have to give us. So actually, sir, here I use, sir, revolve base or boss base, sir, this one, to make the cylindrical, and after that, sir, yeah. So at the top, sir, we have made some, sir, this part by using extrude base and then cut extrude base, sir. So this one, sir, it's kind of, sir, it's for design and for strength purpose, sir. It's and after this, sir, we have used circular pattern to make seam like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By using the circular patterns, we have divided this into.
Don't tell tools and all, like just specifications of every part.
Okay, sir.
Like if you have done this, means what's the reason for doing this and what else?
Yes, sir.
Just explain the
Sir,
use
this
of
will
it.
just provide the strength to the
How
tank,
it
sir.
provides strength.
So here, so this one is, sir, base. So I have like some make some here like this cuts and all, sir. Just to, sir, give provide strength and to reduce the like cost of manufacturing, sir. So the less material will be required, and so these are the stands, sir.
Continue fast.
So,
We have limited.
so and yes, sir, this is also for support and for strengthening of the cylinder. And again, I have like make it for circular patterns so that it will be divided accordingly. Now, like I've given some fillets to give like to smooth the edges and to give strength also. One fillet too, and then this one is also for strength purpose only. And here also, like I've given the fillet to smooth the edges and to give strength too. Yeah, and this one. From this, like this is the way from which like we can get the water. And
Outflow. Outflow.
Yes, sir.
You mean outflow? Like you mean you will withdraw water from tank from this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
So the purpose I've given from here, sir, to get the maximum pressure, sir. Otherwise, like any would have give from here, but the height would be less, sir, compared to
Okay,
this
I
one, sir.
understand.
Yes, sir. And so here I've given, sir, extrude as it was asked into like for fire safety and all. So like sir, we can put that, sir, fire pipe here, sir. For that I've given here, sir, this one. So this one.
Any other specific part?
Sir, this one to fill the tank, sir. So this one I have given from the other top so that we can like we can fill the tank more, sir.
Okay.
So this one for, sir, to control the waters which will withdraw,
valve.
sir.
Valve.
Yes, sir, valve.
So that's it.
Yes, sir, that's it.
So okay, nice only, but I have some question.
Yes, sir, sure.
What are the measures you have taken? Like if tank got completely filled,
Yes, sir.
then whether you have designed any part from where extra water can come out?
No, sir, I haven't
Any
prepared,
alarm
but I could.
alarm system manual.
So I haven't prepared, but I could put extra like extra pipe from here, sir, from where like.
No problem. I got it. No problem. It's your first time. I can understand.
Yes, sir.
And okay, can you go to that PDF again?
Yes, sir. PDF. So, I have to say it again, sir, I guess.
Wait. Then wait. You have already mentioned that temperature will be less.
Yes, sir. I did,
So
sir.
in winter, how will you fill the water? Because I think in those areas, temperature.
Yes,
minus, so there will be
temperature
isolation.
would be, sir, quite low, sir,
So
during winter times.
The water may be frozen. in the pipeline only.
So how
Yes,
will
sir.
you fill the tank in those time? Suppose you have to fill or you have to withdraw water.
So for withdrawal purpose, I think the diameter of pipe is enough only for like.
Diameter is enough, but like you understood, you
Yes,
trying
sir.
to.
Yes, sir. I'm getting, sir.
If pipe got freezed, how will you withdraw water? In piping,
So,
freezing happens more often than tank.
so for withdrawing, sir, the thickness, I don't think, sir, it will freeze. But sir, this one, it may freeze, sir. So for this, sir, I think I have to like increase the diameter, sir, of this pipe.
Okay. So one more thing, uh, you have talked about polyethylene.
Yes, sir. Polyethylene, sir.
Will it be able to take pressure of that amount?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, polyethylene is a good material, sir. It's very like it's a hard plastic, sir. And for that only, sir, I've given, sir, this all this, sir, revolve things here, so, to give them more support, sir,
Okay,
to our tank, sir.
two last questions, just a minute. What are
Yes, sir.
the what have measures you have taken because that is a hilly area?
So for hilly area, sir. So
What are the
actually,
things which provides stability?
so stability, sir. For stability, sir, I've, sir, make this a tree stand, sir. Actually, sir, in plain areas, sir, for putting the tank, sir, we need to give it more altitude. So for that, we have to make the stand more height. But in hilly areas, sir, we can put this in some hilly region. That's why, sir, I haven't given the like this size of the stand is not that big, sorry, not that big. So it will be stable, sir, because of that.
Another
I
thing,
think so,
Can you
sir.
go to previous last question?
Yes, sir.
Fast, fast.
Yes, sir. Question.
Can you go to that PDF?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, is it visible?
Yeah, go to that factor of safety part.
So, factor of safety, factor of safety. Yes, sir.
You have shown like hoop stress generation is. Can you go to up, uh, upside? Pressure at bottom of cylinder is this one 68.67.
Yes, sir.
So what about have the thickness you have taken for base?
Sir, for base, so I've taken the same thickness, sir. This one only, sir. 0.05.
What is it like centimeter,
So,
millimeter?
so this one is for meter, and it would be, sir, 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeter for polythene, sir. It will hold, sir, tank. It will hold the water, sir. 5 centimeter polythene. So polythene is a tough material, sir.
Okay, thank you.
is it durable? Polyethylene is
Yes,
durable.
sir. Yes, sir. It's durable. Plus, sir, the reason we are like putting the polythene, sir, it is more, sir, like it will never rust, sir. Unlike, sir, iron or other like materials, sir, it will never get corroded, sir.
Cement also does not corrode.
So cement also doesn't corrode, but says the durability is not that more, sir. And sir, cement tends to, sir, like.
Oh, okay, no problem, no problem.
It's not
What
very waterproof. Huh? Yes, sir.
means you have observed some basic things regarding means choosing between cement and polyethylene. So means what are that factors?
So cement is some more heavy than polyethylene, and I think, sir, cement is heavy. Plus, for cement, sir, we have to like so lifespan of cement tank is not as much as polythene, and we don't want to like make it again and again. Like I have seen, sir, cemented tanks like they used to like leak from some places. I don't know, like there are some damps patches. I've seen, sir. That's why I think
But
it's polythene is
if
good
it
only.
is possible, then dam should be made from polyethylene rather than cement. Have you
Yes,
not thought?
yes, sir. That's also the case.
Means we should
But
also consider strength
so
parameters.
for
Okay.
Okay, no problem. It's okay.
So
It's
for
enough.
dam, yes, sir, we need too big, sir. I don't think so. Polythene would be like best
Okay, no
for.
problem. It's enough. No problem. You have done quite good. So
And one last question from
Yes,
you
sir.
uh, means just move up in the PDF.
Yes, sir.
Means you have selected the cylindrical shape,
Yes, sir. Cylindrical shape.
and in space of the rectangular means why you just explain once.
Yes, sir.
Just explain once means why you have
Okay, okay,
selected.
sir. Sure. Sir, like according to sir research and like I've also seen sir spherical tanks used to like it can hold much more pressure. So that's why sir
What's
like
the what's the reason of
so like
holding the pressure?
it's this shape only sir like for
physics.
sir the contact pressure would be less sir. So there is no like no edges sir.
Okay.
So
Yes.
that's why sir we use cylindrical pumps to like to pump our like in bikes,
Yeah.
automobiles and all. So we don't use sir like rectangular one because it cannot withstand that much pressure, sir. And in case of cylindrical, sir, there is no like pressure. There is no pressure on the edges. In case of cylindrical
It's not
rectangle,
okay. Okay, we got to your point. It's not called pressure. It's called stress.
Yes.
yes, sir, stress. Yes, sir. Pressure is yes, sir.
Coordinate
Pressure is
stress.
different. Okay, no problem. You have done quite good. Okay, you can leave.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You need to send PDF later on
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
and model if you got.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Where is Akshat?
वो उन्होंने मेरे को किया मैसेज की वो थोड़ी देर में करेंगे.
Then Ricard and Muhammad.
पता नहीं उन्होंने भी ज्वाइन नहीं किया. साई पृथ्वी भी ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहा. क्या चक्कर चल क्या रहा है? मैसेज आया ना मेरा.
Salik Muhammad.
सालिक मैसेज ज्वाइन कार्तिक को भी लगते हैं. उसने दिख रहा है पहले भी ज्वाइन किया था कार्तिक. फिर यू कैन लीव.
Alok, remove Victor.
So Karthik, where is Ravi Teja?
He is joining, sir.
Okay, switch on your camera. So what have your been approach like? What are the factors you have considered? Can you show?
So the factors I considered are landsliding, because in mountain areas, if there is more rainfall, then the land will slide, and during a heavy rains, there will be mostly big winds, which will damage our tank.
So what are the like? What have you made changes in design, or what you think that okay, that is one thing. Like, what will you change in design for countering this?
Sir, first of all, we need to select a land which is very stable. The soil must be very stable, sir. If it is unstable, then if a landslide occurs, the tank also will go out from the place where we kept the tank, sir. So for this, first we need to check the land, sir. If the land is okay, then we will construct the tank there, sir. And
Ravi Teja, yeah, on your camera.
And for big winds, the tank must be circular, sir. If it is like a rectangular shape, then the when the winds will come and the winds will strike that, and there is no chance to escape that wind, sir. If this circular, the wind comes like this and it will go like this, sir. If it is a square or a rectangular, then it will come like this. But there is no way to go uh, other side. So I constructed a tank which is in a circular shape, so cylindrical.
Okay. Any other thing you have thought in designing the tank, not for land selection?
Means type of material and any particular
Any
shape
depth, size, thickness,
shape
or
of the supports and all that.
The height of the
any
tank is 4.5 meters, sir, and the radius of the cylindrical tank is 4.5 meters, sir. Then it will be approximately 3 lakh liters capacity, sir. And the material we use for constructing the tank is uh, cement and raw materials like bricks, stones, etc., sir. And we need to uh, give a thickness of 0 0.8 meters for the cylindrical, sir, because then only it will be very strong. Sir, Ravitej did a 3D model. Can he present?
Yeah. Go on, present.
Ravitej, please present your screen.
Sir, I shared the screenshots of the in WhatsApp group, sir.
You should send me personally. Not in group.
If you can present, then present that.
I will present if you cannot.
Sir, I have screenshots of that model. Can I present, sir?
Tell. Or if you want to screen, you want to share screen, or you can present from here only.
Sir, is the screen visible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, this is a tank, sir. The bottom is for outlet of water from the tank, sir, and the hole which is inside, which is on upside, it will help us to fill the tank, sir, through fire pumps, sir. And next, there is a hole at this place, sir, which becomes if there is no air supply to water, then it will become degrade and it will spoil. So there is a hole which lets the air goes inside, and if there is a fresh air circulation in the tank, the water won't become any dirty. And sir, the basement is of thickness of 0 0.8 meters, and by constructing this, there is in case of any landslide or any big winds, the tank won't move from the place where we kept, sir.
What if kind of soil erosion takes place because of water movement?
Sir, but we'll construct a big dig, sir. If this is our tank, then we will construct a dig inside it, and we'll free the water from that place. Let me explain.
So means it's kind of semi-underground structure.
This is a tank, sir. If there is a big rain, then normally the due to the more rain and more water, the soil will goes from this place. But if you construct a somewhat like this, sir,
In depth.
you make
Yeah,
digs.
in little underground. Okay, we understand your point. So, what is this downside pipe for?
Sir, the downside pipe is to
Withdraw water.
water comes from the tank to outside, sir.
Okay. So, what are the specifications like you have considered for high altitude, other than making it semi-underground?
Sir, if we can construct, if there is more during a means in hill stations, there is a heavy rainfall. For our tank, we can also store the rainwater in our tanks, sir. The upper part will have some umbrella-like types, sir. During a
Okay,
rain,
got
it will
got
detect
it,
the
got it.
line and it will open, sir. But I didn't show this in a 3D model, but I have
So
planned in my mind.
you know temperature is low in area which I have mentioned in problem statement.
Yes, sir.
So water may freeze.
Yes, sir. We
So
will arrange some um, temperature increasing items like some heaters, room heaters in this top place, sir, in the circumference place.
room heater.
It's already concrete structure, so it's kind of insulated from the environment.
Still, if like okay,
So I'm asking what you've done in the means in terms of cost effective construction, means cost effective designing of the structure, means what kind of factors you have taken to make it cost effective or economical, you can say.
Sir, if we construct a bridge, if we construct a tank, we will have some pillars down, sir. But on hills, we doesn't require any pillars because the land is strong. So it will reduce our cost, sir. And the pipes here used are fire pipes, sir. And during fire accidents, um, the fire vehicle brings a pipes, no, sir. That type of pipes are used in this, sir. They are very less cost and their durability is very more, sir.
wait a minute. Okay, you have told earlier that land is weak and landslide can happen from rainwater. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and now you are saying land is strong, so we are not putting
So first we
pipe
are
base.
selecting that land, sir. On mountain, some places there are some weak and there are some are strong, sir. First we will select that place, sir, which is very strong, and then only we will construct the tank on that.
And if the land is strong, we can construct the pillar one and anything else. Means why we have chosen the same design.
So it means you want to say like yeah. Okay, Rintij, getting your point. So uh, you are saying in hill areas pillars are not made because they have strong lands.
Yes, sir. The we will select up first the strong area, sir. If the area is strong, then we don't need any pillars, which will reduce our cost.
Okay, Raviteja is saying because of earthquake. It's okay. And we are not seeing any outflow and all that in the design.
How will you take water? Like there is no door or anything like from where you can
Means
even
overflow.
like if what if it overflows or what are the things you have considered like there is no door at all in water tank. If you want to do some reparation, from where you will do it?
Sir, we will have a ladder
From upper hole.
on the side, and we will have some space on this semicircular.
But
On that, we
see,
will have
damage
space
is
on space.
inside. Damage is inside. Usually, damage happens in inside also only in water tank. So there is no get like you want to even clean this water tank, this upper hole. You have made it a very, I think, very no door and nothing.
Sir, we made a upper hole here, sir. It is the radius of 500 mm, sir.
What?
500 mm means only 50 centimeter. Any man cannot go inside.
Yeah.
Or clearing.
Even if he can enter, but how will his uh, accessories will enter? But he will be requiring suppose a large bucket or something or anything.
And in this kind of structure, you need to provide some staircases to go up and.
And sir, there will be ladder.
You should tell earlier, na, like what are the models you are. We are asking question and you are telling, okay, we can do this, we can do this.
Okay, so
These things.
overall, your reasons and all these things are okay.
Okay, it's quite good only. You can.
So you
Any
can
other
leave.
point you want to tell us?
If you want to tell something, you can tell. Otherwise, leave.
Sir, we will arrange some automatic detecting sensors like ultrasonic sensor, which detects the water level of the tank, and it will indicate on a to a phone which is having a Wi-Fi module. So the watchman or the keeper who take care of this tank can know the information very fastly if the tank is overflown or the tank is empty. We will use ultrasonic detection sensors.
If you are using ultrasonic, okay, how it will work?
Sir, it works on the principle between the distance between ultrasonic sensor and the water level, sir. If this is a tank and we will place ultrasonic sensor on the top, sir, it will face the water level, sir. If the distance between the tank is and the ultrasonic sensor is very less, then it will say the tank is overflown, sir. If there is no water in the tank, then it will the distance becomes more, sir. Then it will say the tank is empty.
Okay. You read about what is ultrasonic sensors and how ultrasonic wave propagates and how they retard back. Okay, you need to read about.
Whether it will work in water or not for object or.
Ultrasonic sensors are used for checking.
Sir, the waves propagate in air, sir, but they don't propagate in water. They will reflect back when they hit water.
Okay. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Ravi Puja, you can answer. So, cycles we.
Yes, sir.
What are the consideration factors what are the factors you have considered?
Sir, well, actually, I have selected the topic rainwater harvesting in Meghalaya.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
also, sir, can I present? I have made a little presentation as well.
Yeah.
Yes, you start.
Just a minute, sir. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. I have made a design as well for rainwater harvesting in Meghalaya, which includes roofs and pipings. But first, we need to understand what is rainwater harvesting. Here,
Sai, I think your real presentation is not visible.
Yeah. It's only showing your home page of PowerPoint.
Yes, home page.
Which open, not home page of your presentation. It's a PowerPoint.
It's visible now. You can start.
just a minute.
don't go in theory of rainwater harvesting. You all know what is rainwater harvesting. You go in theory of design.
Yes, sir. I'll directly go to the. Okay, here generally we use for storing of water. Generally we use RCC tank as well for which stands for reinforced concrete cement, and also we use some rocks for the purification of water as well. And I have made a design which completely depicts the how roof water is stored in the tanks. And here well, actually I have placed here tanks, but these are three-way solenoid valves, but I was unable to draw them. Here this solenoid valve, here there will be three-way solenoid valve. This is how
you have this you have this CAD model, na?
Yes, sir.
From this presentation, and then you go to directly CAD model. There you can zoom and all things.
Okay, sir. Here we use a three-way solenoid valve, and it works on the base of it actually has electric coil which acts on the basis of electromagnetism, and it will either open or close the valve orifice. And when the coil within it gets energized by passing current, the plunger is lifted or lowered to open or close the orifice. This is how we regulate the movement here. Here there will be a three-way solenoid valve, and that is how we regulate it. And depending on the requirement of flow rate or requirement of velocity, here the cross section of the valves, as you can see in this picture, here the cross section of the valves will be altered. And in the AutoCAD model, here you can see there is a roof on the wall, and when the water falls on it, it will go through the PVC pipes, and from there it will go through, and in those pipings there will be three-way solenoid valve. Well, here I actually represented in the form of a tank, but it is a three-way solenoid valve, and this three-way solenoid valve will transfer it into three other pipes. And the benefit of using solenoid valve is it has fast response time, and it requires very less power consumption. And we can not just for rainwater harvesting, and in some other cases as well, like irrigation and other cases, we can use it remotely. We can operate from a far distance, and also for the replacement, the parts are relatively cheaper. And this is the solenoids, and this is how it will be connected to the entire house.
Try
and
to focus on the different parts, not only on the solenoid only.
Okay, so tell me one thing. You have talked about solenoid valve. I have already mentioned three in question in near to solenoid valve. So which solenoid valve you have used? Three-way or two-way, or which one?
Three-way solenoid valve, sir.
So three-way solenoid valve distribute water in three different pipes or in two different pipes?
In three different pipes, sir.
Can you search on Google?
Okay, sir.
Three-way solenoid valve. Okay, you are just presenting presentation. One thing I have mentioned there before, solenoid valve, you have to store some water for few seconds. What are the design you have taken for that purpose?
No, sir. I haven't considered anything further. I have just considered the AC and DC voltages. It can work on
it. It has three pipe connections, but it cannot distribute water in three ways. It can distribute water in two ways. It will take from one end, and it will let
one of them is an inlet, sir, and it will go with the help of an electric coil. It will distribute in
can
two different outlets.
Yes, that's what I was saying. So one more thing I have asked. Okay, you tell me what are the kind of roof which will be situated in Meghalaya? Type of roof,
Type of roofs.
like structural. How, what kind of structure they have? Is there any difference between roofs in hilly areas and roofs in uh, flat areas?
In areas.
So the roofs in hilly areas have a little slanting structure.
You mean slope? Okay.
So explain your model ahead.
Okay, sir. So this is my model. Here we use a three-way solenoid valve, and in this roof we get inlet of water from the rain, and also we use some rocks in the middle for water purification, and these rocks acts as a natural purifier, and also this solenoid, when we pass the current, it will open or close with the help of a plunger, and this water will be passed to the collection storage, that is storage tank, and it will be stored in a pit, and these water will be sent to different other pipes, and these are connected to the different rooms in our building.
Okay, one question from me.
Yes, sir.
What things did rock and your gravel you are saying? What
Yes,
are the
sir.
contaminants they can purify?
So they can purify mud or any other dirt particles, and also sometimes small hailstones might come in the middle. Like in Bangladesh or some other places, hailstones are very common. So with the help of rocks, which acts as a water purifier, we can filter them. So
Any other consideration, like any other factor you have missed or it's done from you?
So sometimes and also sometimes there might be acid rain as well, which contains high amount of sulfur. So with the help of rocks, sometimes we use a small pores of water funnel type of thing, which acts as a purifier.
Rocks cannot purify sulfur.
Acidity.
What's that?
Is it removed? Is it enough to remove the acidity that gravels?
Acidity and sulfur.
Yes, sir. These
I want to know means if gravels are enough, why we are using RO and all that things?
Sir, not just gravel, sir. Here, the sulfur and also sometimes other constituents of water, of rainwater, which is not suitable for drinking or other purposes, can be filtered.
Means what you are having in your model for purification of water?
Sir, I haven't mentioned anything in my models.
Okay, no.
So if you want, you can explain in your way. Means what you can do.
So to purify water, in the middle we can use some small pores stoppage, which stops some dirt or thing, and also we use some chlorine generator kind of thing, sir. I don't know the technical term of it. It filters the particles in the water.
You want to do sedimentation and all that.
Or carbon filtering, like from gravel you cannot do.
Not exactly carbon filtering, sir. Here, when three-way solenoid valve is used, some complex segment related to sedimentation and other kinds of filtering are used, sir.
Wait, one more question then.
Yes, sir.
You know intensity from which it rains in Meghalaya, or it can be. No,
Cherrapunji, sir.
oh, yeah, wait, son. In Shillong
Average
and any
average
place in Meghalaya.
Can you repeat, sir?
In Meghalaya, do you know intensity of rain? You are saying you can filter the water with pH and all things just by just it will flow through it and it will be purified with
Yes, sir.
that intensity of rain.
Sir, if the intensity of rain, if the intensity of the rain is very high, then we use more number of filter papers, sir, in the middle.
So no. It will
Okay.
slow down the
Read
process
about it.
and
Read about
Sir,
it.
and in order to slow down the process, here we use a storage tank in the middle. So if you can see in the AutoCAD model, there is a second block which acts as a storage tank, and there are some special types of rocks used, which stops the water for some time.
just show that model once again. Your three-way solenoid wall presentation is here only. So the CAD model.
Sir, I'm sharing, and I'm not sure whether you're seeing it. I'll present it again, sir.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay, Naveen. It's okay. You can.
Yes, sir, I'll try one more. Sir, well, actually, in order to prepare that CAD model, I have spent around 6 to 7 hours, so that's the reason.
Okay, you tell me. You can send us also later.
Yes, sir, I'll share it. So, can you see that now?
Yes. So means how you're installing these parts, storage tank and all these things.
Sir, the storage tank and all these things will be installed before the pipes which are connected to our rooms, sir. And after the storage tank, there will be pipes which includes the three-way solenoid valve. I have zoomed it. Can you see that, sir?
Yes. And means any special factors you consider during the design for this model?
No, sir, I haven't considered any special factors. I've just made a normal rainwater harvesting design case. And also, even in this case, even this case is not completely related to what you have given as an assignment, that is the three-way solenoid valve, because I was unable to draw the three-way solenoid valve because I need to do that in 3D, and it is difficult to draw the entire diagram.
Have you thought like how can you store water for few seconds there? But I asked main point in the problem.
So with the help of a storage tank, sir.
Okay.
And also to stop for exactly particular time, we use some electronic materials like Arduino or some other things. If we want to control the flow rate, or if we want to control for a particular amount of time in such cases.
Okay. You can leave now. Your model is quite good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
So, Salik, which question you have attempted?
Yes, sir. What one, sir? First one, sir.
Okay, so what are your approach?
With the help of PPT, I will be explaining my understanding.
Go on. Continue.
So shall I share the screen now, sir?
Yeah, you can see.
So as our topic was to design water tank in the hilly areas where snowfall is common, where dew, fog, these all things are common. So first, which type of tanks we have to apply?
Hello, Salik.
Yes, sir.
We want to know which one will you choose? Anyone?
I
Like,
have
don't go in
I
theory
have
of all
chosen.
things.
We can't choose metal tank because it is not corrosion resistant. We can't
No,
choose
we
metal
want to
tank.
know which one you are going to design for that particular area.
So I will be choosing RCC tank, sir.
So explain that one and what
It is
factors you
Go in
consider.
designing part, like rather than theory part. We know theory part. You can go in designing part. You have considered factor.
because, sir, it is what reinforcement in RCC tank will be corrosion resistant tank, sir, and very little maintenance will be there, sir. And when we finished our design of tank, then we have to think how we have to supply the water. So we have several distribution methods. So we will, as I have written here, as the chances of snowfall, dew, fog is high, so the tank should be corrosion resistance and corrosion resistant. So I have opted RCC tank. Now which method we will be opting. These all things depending upon the topography of the area, level of the source. So I will be choosing gravity system. In gravity system, there is for the outflow, low cost will be
We
there
can't
will be
see
low
any
cost.
design. We are seeing just RCC tanks theory part.
Yes, sir. Like only the slide number 2 is visible. It's not changing.
Now it is gravity system. It is now it is visible.
It's slide number 2 only.
No, it's fine. Now look.
Is it again?
Once stop presenting and start again.
From beginning, sir.
No.
So we will be choosing, sir, gravity system because in the
I am saying you can stop presenting your screen and you can again start presenting the screen.
Sir, understood, sir. Okay. I will be choosing, sir, gravity system because this elevation will be provided by a mountain. So there is no construction cost will be. We will save our construction cost for constructing the elevation. So this elevation is being provided by this hill or mountain, and the water there will be low cost for the there will be low cost for the supply of the water, as along the slope the water will get supplied. As I have written here, sufficient ice is being provided by hill or mountain, so we don't have to think for the outflow. Now when we have distributed water, so when we have distributed our water supply, then we have to think for how we will lay our pipe. So for laying of pipe, we should have to think for two factors: external weathering factor, that is like snowfall, dew, fog. So pipe should be chemically inert and corrosion resistant. So that pipe we have to apply. And toughness in hilly, I have to explain this toughness. So the pipe which has having high toughness, we have to apply that pipe only, because in hilly areas landslide is very common. So what will happen? So if we will apply plastic pipe, simple plastic pipe, what will happen? It will easily will get broke if boulder will easily get damage to that pipe. So we have to consider toughness also in that. And external weathering factor I explained. So that pipe should be, so among pipes, this PEX pipe is considered as best one. These PX pipe having all that facility, all that properties so that it can sustain in that climatic condition. When we have when we have laid our pipe, then how should be the distribution network? So we have different distribution network. So like jet-in system, radial system, grid iron system, ring system. So we will have to choose among these which one is the best. So among four, I have gathered information. I have explored many things, and I came to know ring system will be the best one. As in ring system, as it is clearly visible, and in the ring system, what will happen? If any of
So,
the
Salik,
yes sir.
Salik, it's better to means explain about the tank designing of the tank and all that. Means leave this part and move to that part of the design of the tank.
Yeah, if you have made some. If
In what
okay,
sense, sir? I'm not on.
okay. I will ask question. What are the dimensions you have chosen for tank? What is the depth of material? What are the
Yes. How do you provide stability?
how you are providing stability to tank and
From where you are taking outlet, inlet.
inlet and
Yes,
outlet
yes,
of
yes.
water flow?
So we will be using concrete for the construction of tank. As we need to calculate what should be that the dimension for that water capacity.
It is already given
It
3
is
lakh
already mentioned that it will be more than 3 lakh liters.
liters.
Like
I have
what
So
parameters you have taken for that demand of the water?
sorry, sir.
actually you have misunderstood the question. It was for tank designing, not network
Sir,
design.
it was given that we have to lay pipe also. It was designed
If
tank.
required, I have said if required. Laying piping, it was
According
not
to
laying
that,
piping, it
according to
was for
that,
inflowing and outflowing. Water tank should have gate. I
and
have
we have
written
to
gate.
consider the climatic consider to IA.
Yeah, you have then you have should have done like
So
what are
according
the
to
temperature
climatic condition,
ranges,
we
what
have
are the pressure ranges. Uh, you have done this part good, this fog due, this one is good, but this network like designing of tank you have not done. Designing of tank. What was like
it,
question was
it
starting with
was our
design about
choice, sir, it was our choice to explain our in PPT. So I selected that one on PPT mode only. If
like
I
I'm saying
understood, yes, sir. What's your
Okay about the, it's
okay
okay about the PPT, but you're
you just give me answer like what are the dimensions you have taken? Okay, tell me height, length, breadth, or circumference, whatever you have chosen.
shape of the tank and all that.
Just give me answer. No problem for PPT.
yes, sir? You are not audible, sir.
I'm saying what are the dimensions you have taken? What are the length, breadth, diameter, height? What is others? What is the shape of tank?
Yet I have not calculated for that, sir. I have not thought that thing.
Okay. How you have thought of
Yes, sir.
how water will flow?
So actually your voice is breaking.
It's okay, Salik. You can leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ask next one to join.
It was nice try. You can Okay, Divyasri and Akshat, you can start showing whatever you have taken, what other factors you have considered.
So we have taken the rainwater harvesting
Okay,
topic.
okay, go.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I present my screen?
Yeah,
Yes,
and
yes.
you both on your camera.
Okay, sir.
Rather than going to the theoretical path, just explain the model, okay? And some the factors that you have considered.
Okay, sir. Okay, so we have chosen the topic rainwater harvesting system. Okay, so why do we need rainwater harvesting system in Meghalaya? Like even with the arrival of monsoon and Mawsynram being receiving the highest rainfall in the world, Meghalaya is reeling under acute shortage of potable water because the distribution is not even and
Sorry to interrupt, but we can see only the first page.
oh sorry. Okay. If I present it this way, can you see the
It is
second?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. So need for rainwater harvesting system in Meghalaya. Like even with the arrival of monsoon and Mawsynram being the wettest place on earth, Meghalaya doesn't have like proper like supply throughout the year. Like at times we face issues with the supply. So in for that reason, we were thinking if we can have like a system at our home so that we don't have to face this issue. For that reason, we are constructing the rainwater harvesting system for every home, like whoever wants, which can be used for drinking, cooking, cultivation, and so on. The materials that we require for a rainwater harvesting system at home are having a slanted roof, as is very common here, then PVC pipes, roof water half round pipes, three-way solenoid valve, and a filter. This is a diagram of a model. Rain will get collected on the roof. This is the rainwater half round pipe, and from there through the PVC pipe it will be going to the filter, which has like around 4 layers, which is of gravel, charcoal, sand, and again we can have the gravel for sedimentation and for decreasing a bit of acidity with the help of charcoal. Instead of charcoal, we can even have a calcium carbonate, as limestone is quite common here and is mined frequently. And then this is the three-way valve. It has the cavity port and the stop port and body port. So when the power is off, the plunger will be down, which will open the stop orifice, and the cavity port will open. And from the cavity port, it will be going through the stop port to whatever use we need in the house, all those things. And in case it's not required, it will just run off with the rainwater. Like as in the problem statement, the storage was not like needed. So this is the thing. And this is our process. The rainwater upon falling on the slanted roof, as in here, it will get collected and so on.
So like we have not created the model in AutoCAD or Fusion because we have not get time to create that. So we are just trying to explain from there.
It's okay.
Okay,
So
you have to now
just explain means what especially will do in this model, means what kind of factors will taken into consideration, like impurities, means time of, means how will you
So
purify
like
the water.
for the purifying of water, we are using here the filter that will help us to purify the water. And
So
this
means
yes,
I
sir.
want to know means how will you get to know means what kind of impurities your water is having, and after the purification, means what is the
Like
condition of water and all that?
like we don't need like extreme purified water for all the things. Only for drinking purpose we need extremely purified water. So if you use extremely purified water for everything, it will be like the cost will be too much. So what we are thinking is of like having that normal filter which is very affordable, everyone can use. And rainwater is always slightly acidic, for which we can use the calcium carbonate filter in between, and which can which would take care of the most acidity, and we can use it for cleaning purposes and uh, in the cultivation process and all. And if for drinking purpose is needed, then we can put an extra filter at our home, like before drinking that thing, just to make it a bit cost effective.
Okay, so can you tell me about this chamber you are talking about, solenoid valve chamber? How you are stopping
What?
water for few seconds?
Oh, okay. Just a second. Okay, so it has that this roof water half round pipes. Because of that, it will be like it gets an additional time for collecting, and also because we have that filter, so it will that filter upon filtering, the water won't have like an extreme flow, turbulent flow. It will be quite slow, so the filter can be used as a storage also for the meanwhile. Or else if necessary, after from the solenoid, only not only just for using for household purposes, we can even store it in a tanks that we have, like 500 liters, 1000 liters tank that is available in most of the house. We can even store it there.
And what you have done regarding the intensity of rainfall, if it's
What's it?
more or intensity of rainfall, means how will you control the flow and all that?
With the solenoid valve.
Okay.
What is expected intensity there?
What's it?
What is
Like
ex- what
what's
is
it?
expected flow rate? What is expected flow rate?
Expected flow rate of rainwater in Meghalaya.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what the entire thing, but it's just that if you consider two parts of Meghalaya, like Shillong and Saura, like the rainfall is not evenly distributed, as Shillong resides in the leeward side of the mountain. So it receives a bit lesser rain, but still it's around 3,600 millimeter, and for Cherrapunji it's around 11,000 millimeter. So in Cherrapunji it will be a bit different when it comes to construction than in Shillong.
Yeah, but flow rate is different from
Yeah,
intensity. Flow rate is
yeah,
like what is the speed from which that rainwater is coming, like one volume of water coming in a particular time. That is, you are talking
yeah.
about annual rainfall.
Okay.
And
Like if it's
yeah,
collected in that, like only a certain amount will pass through the solenoid. Like if the rainfall is too heavy, it will just run off. It's not like we're putting all the pressure on the solenoid. Like all the pressure from this part only it will go. Like it's a certain limit it can withstand. After that, it will just run off. And that we can maintain from the solenoid valve, and if necessary, we can put an extra sensor too.
And
what are
one
the
thing I want
factor
to
of
know.
safety you have considered?
What's it?
Factor of
So
safety.
can you repeat?
Factor of safety. What is the factor of safety you have considered?
Safety as in?
Factor of safety, like your system will not break down. Factor of safety.
Okay.
What is the factor of safety you have considered?
Like it's a very simple model as such. Like if there is some wear and tear, we can just use a ladder or something to fix it.
Okay, so one last thing I want to know means I don't know whether you've seen Meghalaya or not, but there is lack of space is there. I mean, in the city, Shillong itself, in the houses. So means what kind of changes you will do in your design means like application of that
Like I
filter
was
and
thinking, like if you are really considering a better version of this so that we get rainwater throughout the year without any shortage, we can have a like better reservoir system. Like it will be very tough for each house to have their personal well or something reservoir type. Like it,
no. Let's consider for one house
like I was thinking of
consider for
that community reservoir thing. If the municipal can do something about that, so that all the
so
rainwater collected from the house just like the way we receive from the pipes, like the city water. In that way, the community water from our house can go to that community reservoir tank.
Yeah, that one is good.
So like we are trying to make it cost effective, so we are using simpler model for this. That's why we are not, it will be not very cost, if it will be more cost effective, it will be used for a like for whole society, not for a particular house. It will be
No,
more effective for if a society use data,
yeah,
try to
I
build it.
found that idea as that one is good.
So
So you,
in you while talking about three-way solenoid valve,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat that part, like how you have
Sir,
designed piping there?
so like in 3D three-way solenoid valve, there is a three parts. One is for inlet and two is for outlet. So when the like from inlet of water come, so initially when there is we have not given the power to three-way solenoid, so it will come from the Diveshi, can you show that what PDF
Cavity
or
port.
press?
Yeah. Yeah.
So like here is it one is inlet port, another is outlet port. In the above part, there is a one more stop port is there. So when the electricity, when will be not giving it power, so the water will be came out from that stop part. And when will be like for don't using, like we have to not use this water. So we will just turn off our power and the water will be go out from it, and we will not use that. And if we need a water for utilization purpose, we need a water, so we can just turn on the power, then the water will come from inlet port and come from outlet. Using this outlet port, we can utilize that water also.
In conclusion, just say like when you want to store water, when you are thinking of storing water,
So
that
when we
time,
need to store water, when we
then
will turn on the power, when we need to
not
store the water.
not tell like turn on power and turn on power. You tell like when will you divert the water, when you are storing or when you are stored flow.
So when we need, when we are storing water, the water will be come out this from outlet part. And when we need to flow this water, like we are no, we have to we don't need to use this water, then it will come from this stop pot part, that is that above part.
Like in case if the power is off, then the plunger will be down. Then it will open that stop orifice, that middle layer. There are two orifices there. Then it will go from the cavity port to this through this orifice and then to the stop port. And when the power is on, then this it will flow to the body orifice and the body port. Power is on, sorry. Yeah, for the second case.
Actually, what diagram you have used, it is not a three-way solenoid.
Yes, sir. It is a two-way solenoid.
Yes, sir.
We have, by mistake, we have used it.
By mistake, in the hurry.
Water cannot come out from this one, whatever you are telling now.
Yes, sir.
Like
by
it has
mistake,
another one in that stop part, in this area.
That's why, sir,
Like,
we are telling
inlet
that the
is
above part, there
yes.
is a bolt there. That is for the, we are considering it for, like in three-way solenoid, there is one more way, that is that this above part is there.
Yes.
That is a stop port.
Cavity port, stop port, and the body port.
By mistake, we have used this two-way solenoid, so we are just telling from here only.
Yeah, you are trying to like tell this spring part that this is the third way. Earlier, what have you told? You are telling that this spring part and the solenoid, like this winding and this spring part, you are saying that it will be our third outlet, like second outlet.
Diveshi, if you can show by using the draw.
No problem, we understood.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir, that above that bolt is there, na?
Where the bolt is there should be an outlet of the stop port,
no,
which can be.
Still, you can't understand. It is a solenoid part. In three-way solenoid, there is different piping, just like T structure. You know T structure?
Yes, sir.
T structure. L structure is there. T structure is there. Do you know L piping, T piping?
Yes, sir.
You can search on Google if you don't know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that same we are telling here. Like this above
But
part will be
still
our
you are telling
stop
that
part.
spring from the spring parts, from the spring
So
part.
not this spring, this above part, the above there, na, connecting with the black wire. We are telling that.
Yeah,
Especially if you
that
can
is
take the
solenoid
arrow
part.
there.
That is solenoid part.
Not that this black wire, sir. Like this blue one, and that up one where there
Yes,
is
sir. There
hole.
is the
Like
arrow the Rivesh is
there is
using that we are telling.
that cavity between. Like that's for the orifice, and then there is an stop pod which can be open or closed.
Okay, you can leave now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Perdu, what are the factors you have considered for designing?
Sir, I have taken the first model, sir.
Yeah, go for it.
Turn on your camera and
Yes, sir. 1 second.
if you are having something to present, then
Yes, sir.
present.
I have prepared one PPT and yes. Sir, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Sir, I have taken the elevated water tank model, sir. First of all, I have taken the means I have taken 50 meter cube capacity, which means 5 lakh liters of water can be stored in this RC tank, and I have taken this dimensions of diameter and height, everything, and this whole everything, and I have
Can
again
you repeat that one, that capacity part?
this one's
It's
50.
50,000 only. 50
It's
meter cube.
50 into 1,000 is equal to 50,000.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will see.
We'll consider that thing. Okay.
Oh, no problem.
Actually, means I didn't see that one, means by mistake.
No problem. Now it's
And-
about 50 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. We will.
Yes, sir. Means capacity is about that only, sir. And I have taken the dimensions in the question, sir, and I have represent in the table only, sir. And next, after that, I have find the weight of each the component in the tank. So means like a wall and roof slab, floor slab, and everything, beams, everything individually, sir, based on the dimensions and the density. Means I am using RC tank, so I am using concrete. So density of concrete is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. So to find the weight, I am using volume into density, sir. Density is everything same for everything also, 25, 25, 25. And volume is it is a circular water container. So for roof slab and floor slab, it is pi r square. Pi r square h also there, sir, yes, because we have given the height also, right? So and wall and for wall we have taken, this is the weight, I think so, sir.
Move on to the next part. We'll see.
And so this is the total weight of the based on the dimensions, sir, and using that dimension, this is the tank, sir, and this is the tank, sir. This is actually constructed with a concrete cement, sir, and this is the elevation part, which means front view, sir, and this is the top view, sir. And here are the dimensions, sir. We can change it later also, sir. And the main purpose is to check the permissible stress and temperature and humidity, everything for this tank. So means we can see that for this tank we can find the
huge amount of pressure is at the bottom place, sir, because the amount of the whole water is present in this tank, so the huge amount of pressure will be fall on the base slab, sir. So it has red in color, sir, and remaining from when we go top, then the pressure will be decreased, sir. Okay, and so for this tank we are using M20 grade concrete, which consists 1:1.5:3 ratio. So it is so that we won't get any cracks or leakages of this tank. And this M20 concrete can be used to resist the stress produced by the tank. And we will also use the steel layer inside the tank. We will also use, means we are using the concrete walls of the tank, and for reducing more stress we will use steel layer also, and we are using steel layer which can withstand of 115 Newton per mm square, and which is from 150 for means for mild steel. This is the highest level, and for deformed bars this is the highest level. We can use either of them as an layer between water and the concrete wall. So to reduce the to avoid the temperature and moisture cases, so what we will do is we will use permeable lining, which is we have already used steel lining, so we can either use permeable lining or steel lining, which will avoid us to drain the water as an water vapor from the tank. So, and we can also build the cement wall from the range of cement content with the range of 330 kg per meter cube to 550 kg per meter cube, and this will also reduce the drying of water from the tank. So, and I have made this in the AutoCAD showing which one is cement and which one is steel layers. This orange color is cement. So this orange color is cement, and this is made based on those dimensions. And this light blue color is steel, sir, which is a inner lining for giving more support to avoid stress and drying of the water. And this is water, sir, and these are the columns, and these in between horizontal are beams, and this is the base. Bottom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Base. That all, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So there are some questions. Can you go into PPT again?
So open your PPT.
Yes.
And go in first slide, first or second one, where you have second one. So what is the volume from that diameter and height?
Sir, which one, sir? This one?
This 4.85 meter and 3.3 meter you have in first line. First line.
Diameter and height.
Yes, sir. Diameter is 4.85 and height is 3.3 meter.
So what is volume from this one?
Circular water container. Diameter 4.8. This is cylinder, so it is pi r square h, right? Pi into 4.85 whole square into h 3.
Can you calculate once?
Sir?
Can you calculate once?
1 second.
22 by 7.
Yes, sir, I will calculate in phone 1 second. Phone is easy. Pi into 4 point.
It's not pi r square h, it's not pi d square h.
Yes, sir, means we can do pi r square by 4 into yeah, I mean pi d square by 4 into h. I mean, yeah, that's correct. 8 into height is 3.3. It's getting around 60.9, I think.
Okay, so earlier you has written mistakenly 50, no problem. there is some miscalculation. But can you tell, like, you have taken this 10 meter from your choice, or whether it has like you have taken just randomly?
So no, sir, I haven't taken randomly. So means I have find this problem in some other source. So based on the problem, I have constructed this model, sir. And
So
this is the idea of means at what a certain range of permissible stress this
yeah,
model can withstand.
I got to know that like these are mechanical concepts, and this is simulation part. You cannot do simulation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one I don't know.
I know those things. My question is, see, you has written 50 meter cube earlier, and calculation is coming 60 meter cube. So there is some extra 10 meter cube. So you have left it according to you, or there is some reason for like leaving this 10 meter cube empty part?
No, sir.
We are asking why you have taken excess quantity.
Space. Have you taken it from your choice, or just
No,
for
sir.
randomly? Is there
Like
any
that.
reason behind it?
No, sir. No particular reasons.
Okay, you tell me one thing.
That we call factor of safety. Means that's the kind.
Tell me one thing. In your home, do you fill your water tank up till upper like completely, or you leave it some empty part?
Sir, we will leave a bit less, sir, because we won't fill for yes, sir. We won't fill full only, sir. Yes.
But while talking, like making carry model, you have filled it completely.
No, sir. See here, there's some.
Yeah, you have told this is steel part. You have told this one is steel part.
This is steel, sir. Means I can change the colors. This is that is pink color is steel, sir. This blue color is water. Sir. There is a space between that, sir. Means it is not completely filled, but it is utmost filled, sir.
Do you know reason?
Sir?
Do you know reason behind it?
Did I know reason behind this?
Okay. Akash,
Maybe pressure of the tank might be increased more, sir, because as the water capacity is increased, right? So it exerts pressure on the walls. So I don't know, sir.
Okay, Pradhu. So you have taken so many civil engineering factors into the design.
Yes,
so
sir.
First
But,
of all,
not completely are perfect, sir, because I have only basic and small ideas regarding them.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. So first of all, your CAD model is having like concrete and steel. Steel is in the direct contact with the water. So is it possible to having steel in the direct contact water?
Yes, sir. Why it's not possible? I
like,
don't.
But we like
you have seen RCC things in your house and nearby.
No, sir, I haven't seen.
Okay, so just open up your PPT and I will ask something from there.
Yes.
So first thing you have considered M20 and FE415. So what does these things represent, M20 and FE415?
So this is this M20 is a design max, and 20 represent this compression order of following the ratio of that 1:1.5:3, sir.
Okay, then just change the slide.
Yes.
Next one. Okay, so you have taken the joints and all that. So you this thing is you haven't shown any RCC fillings in the columns too. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's not possible to construct a direct concrete structure. It's not stable.
Yes, sir. We use that pillar rods in that, sir. Yes, sir, I know.
So,
yes.
So means what factors you have taken into consideration for making it economic?
Sir, for making it economic, I consider these columns to be spiral, sir, because spiral one is more efficient than remaining all other columns like rectangle, square, like that. So this circle one is a column of spirals, sir, so that the to make that column, it take less cost, sir, and also it is very easy to make to the workers, sir. And for reinforcement also, it doesn't take that much cost for this one, sir. Spiral thing means this circle column.
Next slide. So you've taken the permissible stress. So do you have any idea, means what's the behavior of stress in the tanks?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have known some idea about that in 12th, I think. So yes. Yeah, it
Next
varies
slide.
from top to bottom, sir. At top it will have very less. At bottom it will have more, sir. At top it have only P naught only, means 1 atmosphere, and when it comes below, means when it goes at a height h, then it will go P is equals to P naught plus rho gh, like that. Then pressure will be increased at the bottoms. I know only that thing. I don't know that means another deep thing. I don't.
So open up your CAD model now. Last.
Yes.
So what basically we have asked you to design, okay, in the means in the sense of CAD modeling and all that, okay. So means I haven't seen any outlet or inlet in the tank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand. Yeah.
There is
Yes.
there is no kind of opening and all that. So means
How water is going there?
means
Yes, sir.
Comes
It's
it's
from
better if you
yes, sir.
haven't done something. If you want to explain, then you can tell us. That thing we will consider. Means like the things that you have left. If
So
you want
this
to add something else.
outlet and inlet are taken means with parallel to this column, sir. That's what I think. So that is the only thing I know.
uh, will there be any something like for uh, coming and going of air and any reason behind it in water tank?
Sir, what sir? I didn't understand.
Like, will there be any hole or anything, like any extra pipe or anything for allowing of air?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will be means another extra pipe will be there, sir, and it will be means it will be closer whenever it's necessary. They can connect some other pipes to take out the extra water at the same time. So means like.
What is the reason behind it? You have also seen this water tank in your home. There is one extra pipe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Water
Extra
never
pipe will be
flows.
there, sir, and rubber cork will be fixed at that thing. We can remove it at any time. And
No, in that pipe, water never flows. From that pipe, water is never allowed to flow.
water will never flows. Then why did? Okay, sir. Let me think.
Yeah,
I don't know, sir.
So it's okay. It's okay. So at last, I want to give you some suggestion.
Yes, sir.
While giving presentation, you must include only that thing about which you are having some idea or all that. Okay.
Or even if you don't have idea, at least get some points to tell. Okay, this is the reason. I already asked, like told, you have to tell reason also for every point you are considering.
Yes, sir. Yes, understood.
So means you have taken some good points regarding means the core designing factors of the structure. Okay, means like the kind of cement, the steel, and the different pressure factors, stress factors, and all that things. These are quite good. Okay, at your stage it's quite good, but while presenting, you must know about that things. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Means this is the first time I have just came to know a bit
yeah,
about
it's
water
okay,
tanks.
It's good, and it's good like you are.
You've taken the means
most of the
it's
events.
good to have the real factors into the consideration. Okay.
Yes.
Instead of the things.
One last question I have. What are the factors you have considered for high altitude areas? I have properly mentioned like it is for high altitude areas.
Yes, sir. High altitude area.
So like what are the factors you have considered for hilly areas or high altitude area? You can see.
Actually, I am not sort of consider that high altitude in that area. I just consider this is as high altitude. Means I have just increased the height of the tank from the base. I don't know why, but I did that.
I have also even tell space like places like J and K, Sikkim, Arunachal. I have mentioned places also. Like those are hilly areas.
Yes, sir. They can also use this type of tanks, right?
No,
yes,
they don't use this.
Why, sir? Because maybe due to earthquake, this will fall.
Yeah, due to landslides, and they use
Yes, sir,
they're
yes.
near to ground.
Yes, sir. Then
Because
maybe
this
this
will
type
make
should
one
be
more
60
calamity
again.
to come along with earthquake.
Yes, sir. Understand.
It's okay, Prithu. You can leave.
One more thing, I want to ask.
Wait.
Have you considered anything about temperature? Like there will be less temperature also in high altitude areas. They are cold regions.
Sir, yes, sir. There are cold region means yes means if means if temperature is increased, then actually we are using the permeable line or a steel membrane, so means steel layer, so that water won't be evaporated so easily, right?
You can stay here. Like I let all people join. You can turn off your camera. I will tell some answers. Like people get some idea.
Yes, sir,
Hello,
yes, sir.
can you stop presenting? Like stop recording and streaming.
Is it over?
Yeah.
What about others?
Two groups are not in condition that they can present today. Yeah.
So about 9 are there.